So, hi friends, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel, Geeta's UPSC Corner. So, friends, in this video, I will be starting arithmetic series. So, I was starting from the average topic. So, today's topic is the introduction of average. So, let's get started into the video. So, average. Average is nothing but sum of the observations by total number of observations. So here in the average, I have given example of some numbers 9, 27, 47, 92. So the average of all these numbers is we have to do sum to the these numbers and divided by how many numbers. So 9 plus 27 plus 47 plus 92 divided by 4. Okay. So here it is 4. Number of observations are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So 9 plus 27 plus 47 plus 92 by 4 is equal to, so the total of all these numbers is 175. Okay. 175 divided by 4. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. Remaining 1 carry over. So 4 threes are 12. Okay. 4 fours are 16. Remaining 1 carry over. 4 threes are 12. Remaining 3. Remaining 3. That means 3, 0. 0, we have kept 0. That means point. So 3, 0. 4 sevens are 28. Remaining 2, 0. So 4 fives are 20. That is 43.75. Okay. So this was the average of all the given numbers. Okay. So let's get into the next slide. So consecutive numbers. What are the consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are nothing but the numbers which are in the same series. That means consecutive in same line. Okay. That continuously follow each other. Okay. So here consecutive numbers is equal to x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, and so on. Okay. If we keep 1 year, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, so on. So if we keep x is equal to 1, then consecutive numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. So this was the consecutive number. So let us see what is consecutive odd number. Okay. So the consecutive odd numbers are nothing but x comma, x plus 2 comma, x plus 4 comma, x plus 6 comma, x plus 8, so on. So these are the consecutive odd numbers. The formula for consecutive odd numbers and odd even numbers is same, but odd numbers will be starting with x equal to odd number. That means 1, 3, like that. Okay. If we keep 1 here, if we keep 1 in the x, 1, this will be 3, this will be 5, this will be 1 plus 6, 7, and 1 plus 8, 9, so on. Okay. If suppose we keep 3 in the place of x, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 3 plus 8 is 11, so on. Okay. It depends on the value we keep in the place of x. Okay. The formula for consecutive odd numbers and consecutive even numbers is same. Okay. So this, if we put x equal to 1, I have said no. So the series will be like 1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7, comma 9, so on. So these are the consecutive odd numbers. Okay. Next, consecutive even numbers. consecutive even numbers, the formula is x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 4 comma x plus 6 comma x plus 8 and so on. Okay. Here in the place of x, as I have said, the value of x depends upon the value we execute here. If we keep x equal to 2 in the place of x, the series will be like x plus 2 is equal to 4, x plus 4 is equal to 6, x plus 6 is equal to 8, x plus 8 is equal to 10, so on. Okay. So these are the series. If we put x equal to 2, then the series will be 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10, so on. If we keep 6 in the place of x, the series will be like 6 comma 8 comma 6 in the place of x. X plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, so on. Okay. It depends on the value we give to the x. Okay. So this is the concept of consecutive numbers. Okay. So this was the concept. So get all the basic idea on the concept so that we can understand the problems. Okay. When we go to problems, we can easily get what is consecutive numbers, what is consecutive odd numbers, and what is consecutive even numbers. Okay. So let's get into the another slide. So here I have given a note point. See, if there are any consecutive number, the middle number will be the average, obviously. So let us take 91, 92, 93, 94, and 95. So if all these numbers are average, then the average will be the middle number. So here 91 plus 92 plus 93 plus 94 plus 95 by 5 is equal to 465 by 5. That is equal to 93. So the middle number itself is the average of all these numbers. So if we take 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9, then the average will be 5. Okay. So the average will be 5. Let us see. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 divided by the total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5. So the total will be 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. So the answer is, so the total will be 25. 25 divided by 5. Okay. What is the answer? It is 5. So the middle number is the average. So if there are any consecutive number, the middle number will be the average, obviously. If I have given a number like 1, 3, 5, and 7, then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 divided by the number of observations are 4. So 4. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. That is equal to 16 divided by 4. Okay. That is equal to 4. So the middle number is 4 here itself. In these observations, the middle number is 4. So the answer is 4. Okay. So note this point. This is the most important one. Okay. So if there are any consecutive number, the middle number will be the average, obviously. Okay. So I hope you all got it. So let's get into the another slide. So I have given the consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers, consecutive even numbers. Okay. So here 1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7, comma 9. So this was I have already told you in this slide. Sorry, this slide. So here I have told you 1 plus comma 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 divided by 5 is equal to 25. That is 5. So this was the same. Okay. So in the next second question, so 2 comma 6 25 comma 26 comma 27 comma 28 comma 29. So the average will be the second number, obviously, that is 27. So here 26 comma 28 comma 30 comma 32 comma 34, the average will be 30. 96 comma 97 comma 98 comma 99 comma 100, the average will be 98. So here I have given only 4 numbers, 101 comma 102 comma 103 comma 104, the average will be 102.5. Okay. So in the last question, 52 comma 54 comma 56 comma 58, the average will be 55. Okay. So this was all about average topic, introduction part. So thanks for watching, guys. So I hope you all liked it. So please keep supporting me, and please do subscribe to my channel so that you cannot miss the videos I was sharing. And I will be continuously posting these numerical aptitude questions, numerical aptitude series. As the exams were approaching, this was the most important part for the objective type exams. That means competitive exams. So I hope you all liked it. So thank you for watching. Keep supporting me. If you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys.